Hello, my name is Heather. I'm an oil painter and a mixed media artist. Today I'm going to show you how to use the pockets in my Redbirds, Canaries and Roses digital kit. There are 2 pockets, and I just wanted to show you how these work. So first you cut them out, and this is what they look like cut out. Okay, so this one I did a little stenciling on the back just to add a little something. Then you fold the bottom and then you fold the top. Then you get a little art glitter glue. And you put a little bead of glue on each side and you have a little pocket. So I would ink around the edges, that's what I would do, and then you can clip this in your journal or put it in a pocket or whatever you like, put something in the little pocket. Okay, so pocket number 2. This one folds at the bottom and on both sides. If you have a scoreboard, you can score it. And then you glue it in your journal just like this. And it will hold a tag or a journaling card. And I'm going to get my journal out and I'm going to show you how you can put this into your journal. So this is the page I want to put it on. I'm just going to get some art glitter glue and I'm going to glue on all 3 sides and then just glue it into my journal. It's as easy as that. And that is how you use the 2 pockets in my digital kit. My digital kit is in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. I hope everyone is staying safe and is well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.